is the integration of AI and smart technologies transforming the experience aboard luxury yachts? How is AI transforming luxury yacht experiences? The integration of AI and smart technologies is revolutionizing the experience aboard luxury yachts by enhancing comfort, efficiency, and personalization. Advanced AI systems manage and optimize various onboard functions from climate control and lighting to entertainment and security, ensuring a seamless and luxurious environment. Smart technologies enable real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance, reducing downtime and enhancing safety. Personalized AI assistants cater to guests' preferences, providing bespoke experiences in dining, leisure, and activities. This technological synergy elevates the yachting experience, making it more intuitive, luxurious, and tailored to individual needs.